Hey heathens and demons, it's your favorite guys, the Supreme guys, and today I'm showing you how I make my pumpkin spice oil hair treatment. This hair oil is perfect for fall, winter, maybe some, I don't know. You'll get inches, trust me. And if this is a little confusing to you, don't worry, I'll list everything of where I got in the description box to make sure you guys are good. The first oil I'm using is almond oil. It's naturally packed with vitamin E, potassium, and proteins. Monounsaturated fatty acids and zinc. Those benefits can improve the hair's health, reduce split ends, and treat dandruff. And all you need is 1/3 of a cup. The next oil I'll be using is avocado oil. Avocado oil contains minerals and vitamins B, vitamins K, C, A, and potassium, and high in biotin, which can reduce dandruff, treat a dry, itchy scalp, repair, and nourish damaged hair. Okay, real quick, I'm gonna go off a script right now because this is the star of the show. This is the queen bee. This is her. This is that chick. We're talking about pumpkin seed oil. Now, I can't find the proper beneficial scientifical, mumbo jumbo on like why it's important for hair growth and hair loss, but trust and believe me. If you don't have any of these oils, just get pumpkin seed oil by itself. Plus, it smells like chocolates. Oh, and cautious warning, it is a dark type, blackish type of green oil. So just in case, you've been warned, it can stain clothes and or pillows, so be careful with this oil. Now the next oil I'm going to be using is grapeseed oil. It can work with all weathers, very light oil, and can't weigh it down. It's rich in oleic acid that helps stimulate the hair growth. And I keep forgetting to put this in. We're going to use almost 1/3 cup of each and every oil. Now the next oil I'll be using is hemp oil. Hemp oil is enriched in omegas 3, 6, omega 9 fatty acid, which the hair and scalp loves. Hemp oil stimulates hair growth, nourishing the scalp, prevents breakage, and is perfect for drier and colder weathers. Now up next, the heavy hitter, everybody's favorite, Champ, the cure of all cures. It can cure flat tire, relationships, C word 19. I'm totally kidding. I don't have time to get in trouble for that. Don't ignore me. But no, real talk, something about coconut oil with its healthy high fats, that's good protein fats, that actually is not only good for the body, it's also good for the hair. For some reason our body needs it, but don't want to do an overload. And also, coconut oil is I think a cold press solidified type of oil. So I'm not gonna go in like everything else. It's the only oil I have in my collection that can, when it gets cold, it actually hard forms. I don't recommend using coconut oil by itself in the winter time, if that makes sense. Okay, so it might get a little weird for you guys. I made my own like type of olive oil concoction where it's like oil and then it's infused with coffee grounds, and I tied it in with a little tea bag and everything. I just let it sit in for a few days because somehow coffee can stimulate the scalp with the caffeine, and you know what, I'm not a scientist. Y'all could look, I'm not a teacher. Now I could be wrong, but at least 99.999% of y'all at least own Jamaican black castor oil. Everybody knows how it works. That's the number one go-to if you just want thick hair, thick edges, all of that. Because Jamaican black castor oil is rich in vitamins E, omegas 3, 9 fatty acids, Best oil to actually use to seal moisture, especially in the wintertime. Can prevent dandruff, split ends, lice, because we all mess with lice around here. And instead of using 1/3 of a cup, I use about 3 to 4 tablespoons, which still can show results. And what we're not going to do is be like me and completely, totally miss the bottle somehow. I'm planning on using this oil to a little bit seal my ends when I want to be lazy. Hot oil treatments. I sometimes seal or like add a little bit of oil to my deep conditioner. And that's my DIY pumpkin spice hair oil treatment. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you heathens and demons later. Stay litty. Gang gang.